Yo, yo, what's up, YouTube? So, just fucking around on this little bike here, little pit bike. It's just a little Yamamoto, but I got it for dirt cheap. I want to fix it up. I'm either going to do a YouTube giveaway with it, or I'm just going to drive the ever living fuck out of this bike and try to trash it. Well, not try to trash it, but see what it can handle. So yeah, so far I got the frame painted. I made this little thing out of aluminum siding. I'm just going to drill and tap on the bottom here. This fender's off a different bike. And then I'm going to put a different shock on the back to make it level. Or I'm just going to put the original front tire on it. Depends. If I do a giveaway, I'll probably just try to make it original. But if I'm riding it, I'm going to keep that bigger front tire on there just to be able to get over bigger branches and humps and bumps and all that shit. So yeah, I'm just painting the muffler here. I'm just going to make a custom tip for it. So see how that turns out. Uh, got a couple calipers, I haven't put them on yet. I have to make a mount for them. Here's a caliper. There's brake pistons. So I'm going to put this fucker on there. Just have to weld that mount on. Or make a mount for this. So let's take a piece of steel and cut some shit up. Have it sitting something like that. Have that fucker going up there. And yeah, ladies are screaming. Let's do some catwalks. Alrighty, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. PG out. Peace.